Hey guys, and welcome to another Ready Yeti Spotlight. I'm Matt, and this week we're going to be checking out Bluffworks Ascender Joggers. Bluffworks makes easy to wear and even easier to care for performance clothing. It doesn't really matter what kind of adventure you're on, whether you're inside or outside, Bluffworks focuses on comfort, ease, and versatility. And their products are made with technical materials that look good and feel good. Despite looking incredible, Bluffworks clothes are super low maintenance and pragmatic. They're machine washable, wrinkle resistant, travel friendly, wicks moisture, sweat, and odor off with ease, and has an abundance of smart pockets. At the end of the day, they design clothes that actively answer the need for both performance, durability, and looking real good. One of the ways that their products really shine through is they work strategic smart pockets into all their designs for the right security, comfort, and ease. Their two best sellers, for one, is their 100% machine washable, wrinkle resistant, wool-like blazer. It's the only one on the market that really looks and feels staple suiting, but can withstand any amount of wear, making it especially awesome when traveling. And two, their Ascender chinos with 10 total pockets in a comfortable stress, wrinkle-resistant, quick dry fabric. Coming in at a very close second to their best sellers is their Ascender Joggers, and that's exactly what we're going to be talking about today. Bluffworks Ascender Joggers is their newest release in their Ascender collection. Their Ascender Joggers are a hybrid of traditional sweatpants with a drawstring waist and the performance stretch twill fabric. These joggers are on the more casual side of Bluffwear's lineup with a big emphasis on comfort. The Roomier Fit and Feel allows for easier movement to let you take off on a bike, hike, or jog, or run without missing a beat. Honestly, you probably just want to spend all day in these joggers because they're so dang comfortable. Storage is in no short supply with these joggers. They have 7 pockets with 3 of them zippered so they can keep your belongings nice and secure. And they even have a back waistband phone pocket, which just makes everything easier. The fabric on Bluffworks Ascender Joggers is wrinkle resistant, quick drying, and machine washable to boot. Its drawstring waist makes it super easy to adjust for comfort and security. The cool thing about this is despite having a ton of storage, you don't really notice it at all. It's really subtle. Pockets are kind of hidden. The Ascender Joggers are actually made with the same #1 fabric that makes up Bluffworks chinos. They're 5-pocket pants, which is kind of a more classic jean style. And they're shorts. They're definitely worth checking out, but I digress. Back to the Ascender Joggers. If you are looking for a super comfortable pair of joggers that makes traveling so much easier and will probably be a pair of pants that you'll just never really take off ever because they're so comfortable, then you should definitely check out Bluffworks, specifically their Ascender Joggers. That's it for our spotlight of Bluffworks Ascender Joggers. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave a comment below letting us know what you thought of this video, as well as if you are familiar with Bluffworks. What do you think? Let us know. Let's have a conversation here. Let's have a repartee. Give us a like, subscribe, do all the YouTube stuff, and stay tuned for another Ready Yeti Spotlight coming at you next week.